Alright, so a lot of people have trouble with these conversions, getting them in. It's really not that bad. I'll show you how you can do it easy. Alright, I want to take a note of this also. On the sprocket side, you want whatever's going in here to turn forward that way, because this side will turn forward also. And what it is if you have them backwards, they will unloosen, and it's one of the main common problems a lot of people have. I just thought I'd mention that before you even get started. None of these are ever done the same way, so you have to check whatever you bought from wherever. Alright, so what you want to do is get a piece of threaded rod and 2 nuts. This is a machinist clamp, and something like this where you can put your bolt through. So you want to line the first one up. Alright, so that's one side in, and we'll take you to the other side in a second here. Alright, so what I do is one bolt, I'll leave it out, just one. And these 2 bottom ones, I will align best I can by eye, just like so. Alright, so I got it started a little. Let's see how we're doing here. Oh yeah, we're gonna be perfect. Let's get this first one started. Alright. Alright, so if you did that right, it should look like this now. And the reason I left the one out is because I have this going like that. So we'll put this one in. There we go. I think it's gripping. That's it. The head should be flush with this. And you're tightening correctly. You don't have to go crazy. that's it. It's that simple.